Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to send Google Calendar invite in email. Open Chrome. There, in a new tab, click on Google Apps and click on Calendar. After that, click on Create and select Event. Assign a name to the event. Then define the day and time of the event. In the Add Guest field, add the desired users. When you do this, click on Save. In the pop-up window, click on Send. Thus, you will have sent the Google Calendar by email. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.